So naturally, before you begin any work, turn the breaker off. So here we have the Roth Lange outlet from the Hornbach, and if you open up the package, this is what it looks like inside. So the first thing we can do is remove this white cover here. You can just use a screwdriver or a drill to loosen that screw, and then this will just pop off. We have 3 channels. In the middle goes your ground wire, so your yellow wire with the green stripes. And on the left you can put your brown wire or your blue wire, doesn't matter. And on the right you put your brown wire or the blue wire, doesn't matter. There's 2 holes for each channel. It doesn't matter which one you use. Also on the bottom there's 2 holes. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as you put the yellow wire in the middle, the brown wire on one side, and the blue wire on the other side. So those wires just feed into these holes. It's very simple. And we're done. If for some reason you need to take it out, there's these little plastic tabs in here. You can just push, and then the wires pull back out again. But without the plastic tab, they're in there quite firm. So the next step is to squish all the wires in, put the plug itself in, and then fasten these screws here to place it tight against the wall. Now often they come with fairly short screws like this. This is a 20mm long screw, and sometimes it's not quite long enough. So I highly recommend buying some 30mm long screws. So those are just M3 30mm long screws. And that way, if these screws are a bit too short that came with the actual boxes themselves, it's easy enough to use these screws. Otherwise it could be a frustrating time if your screws aren't long enough. So we just tighten those up. Try and get it horizontal, of course. Okay, so now we have these screwed in tight to the wall, so these screws have been tightened. And now you just put on the cover. And then this goes in here, just like that. And when you put it on, maybe you'll notice that it's a bit rocky. So if it's not stable, there's a couple screws in here that are out too far. That's not allowing this to make good contact and be firm. So you can just put those in a little bit. And now it's nice and stable, so the screws are in the correct location. Now just tighten that last screw. And that's it. So I flick the breaker back on again to test it out, see if it works. There we go.